Practice set though one word substitute. An office or post with the work but high pay sincere. One who is well versed in any subject, a critical judge of any art, particularly fine arts. Coincer. Person who is indifferent to both pleasant and pain. Stoic. A person who is against the standard of ordinary society, especially in dressing. Hippie. Murder of a brother, fratricide. Mania for stealing articles, kleptomania. Mental weariness for want of occupation, ennui. One who loves all and sundry, philanthropist. Mania for travel, Dramomania. A person living permanently in a certain domical. Paying back injury with injury, reprisal. Actually affected by external impressions, sensitive. To slap with a flat object, swath. An assembly hears, audience. An associate in an office or institutions, collegium. One who is unrelenting and cannot be moved by intrigues, inexorable. Regard for others as a principle of action, altruism. Person who claims to have great love for and understanding of what is beautiful in nature, art. Aesthete. A disease which spread by contact, contagious. An animal story with a moral fable. To change shape, nature, or substance of transmute. Person who believes that God is everything and everything is God. Pantheist. Person who pilots or travel in a balloon, airship or other aircraft. Aeronaut. Bittic liver repartee. Words different in meaning but similar in sound. Homonym. Simplest and smallest form of plant life present in air, water, and soil, essential to life but may cause disease. Bacteria. A girl or woman who flatters, that is, tries to attract people and make advance in love simply to satisfy her vanity. Coquetry. A person who regards the whole world as his country. Cosmopolitan. Relationship by blood or birth. Consanguinity. A story in which ideas are symbolized as people. Allegory. The cessation of warfare before a treaty is signed. Armistice. A person who makes love without serious. Philander. Opposed to great or sudden change. Conservative. Having no beginning or end to its existence. Eternal. The art of cutting trees and bushes into ornamental shapes. Drapery. Walking in sleep. Somnambulism. One who cannot die. immortal. A formal written charge against a person for some crime or offense. Indictment. Language or difficult to understand because of bad form. Jargon. Belief of opinion contrary to what is generally accepted. Heresy. A person armed with exclusively one idea of subject. Monomaniac. A child of unusual or remarkable talent. Prodigy. A disease which ends to death. Fatal. A person who kills somebody especially for political reason. Assassin. One who loves mankind. Philanthropist. A small piece of tomato chip. A child who stays away from a school without any good reason. Truant. A commonplace remark. Platitude. Line at which the earth of sea and sky seems to meet. Horizon. A person who rules without consulting the opinion of others. Autocrat.